What's up with it? A trade recap for 13th of July 2026. So this was the last coming back why I was bullish. Go to the daily time frame. Daily time frame we got a fair value gap. Daily time frame fair value gap. Price was inside this when I was actually trading. So that confirms the first bullish sign. And when we go to 4 hour time frame, we have clearly have no fair value gap in this leg. But as you can see, we mark this out. This is 50%. So maybe price can jump off from here and then try and target this or this high right here, whatever. So that is another confirmation that I got from looking at 4 hour time frame. And then going coming back to 1 hour time frame is this tiny low liquidity sweep, whatever you can call it. But as you can see, we got a 1 hour inversion. See, like a lot of things was confusing me with being bullish and bearish. But before taking the trade, I was kind of bearish, honestly. But I ended up taking a buy entry because higher time frame says it's going to be bullish. So when we go to 15 minutes time frame, we basically have nothing but this liquidity sweep before market. I mean, before my entry. And then nothing else on the left. We got this 115 minute fair value gap, which has already been tested, and like, I mean, like, whatever. This completely a bearish market when we go to the lower time frame or whatever. I mean, I should have been looking for bearish entries. As you can see, we fall down from the Sunday market open, and Monday there's also no news. So wanted to trade and took this tiny loss. I mean, it's not a tiny loss. It's max risk for the day, $250. Uh, got into this entry around 950, 959, and then also two contracts on this trade. I didn't trade after that, and wait a minute, executions. There it is. Two contracts on this trade. Maybe that is also a reason why I lost this trade. Probably even if I were to have my actual stop loss with one contract, this would have been my stop loss, and I would have eventually got wrecked leaving after a while. But it's okay. We can't do nothing. End of the day, this was a good setup. We got a market structure shift, fair value gap being found. We have two breakaway gaps. Probably this should have been holding, and I thought this gonna hold after watching this candle go up, and then boom, straight up came coming back to my stop loss, ticked me away from my stop loss, and then came back to my break even, and yeah, whatever. Eventually would have got stopped out. Um, I was targeting 1:4, nothing specific, no specific highs or lows to target, but we have actually a 15-minute gap right here. 15 minutes, yeah, 15 minutes. So I was actually thinking, okay, not 15 minutes then. Should be a 1 minute gap, I guess. That seems a little bit more convincing to actually take that trade right there, but still, it's okay. It's all good. I have nothing to lose, actually, just tiniest of risk. And yeah, this sucks. Honestly, this sucks more than the loss. whatever. This was a trade recap. And I was just aiming for this highs. Probably I would have ended up closing right here if the price would eventually go up. I mean, like if that's this continued going up, I would have probably closed here, here, or somewhere around here. Probably most of my contract, I mean, all the contracts would have been closed, probably stopped out at trailing stop loss. A lot could have happened. I would have probably never ran, I mean, let this trade run till this highs. I mean, and if I would do that, I would be so stupid. That's 248 points. I mean, whatever, whatever. It is good. it's okay. And I'm up. And as always, believe in yourself, believe in God. Anything is possible. And just keep moving, just keep going forward. And I'm up. Adios.